As we speak, the tech world is abuzz with rumors of open source Llama 4, the highly anticipated AI model from Meta AI. But what exactly does this mean for the future of AI development, and how will it impact businesses and individuals alike? Let's dive in and find out. The rumors of open source Llama 4 have left many experts predicting a significant shift in the way AI is developed and used. For those who may be new to the world of AI, Llama 4 is a large language model developed by Meta AI, known for its ability to understand and generate human-like language. But what sets Llama 4 apart from its predecessors is its potential for open-source development. Imagine a world where AI developers from all over the globe can contribute to and improve Llama 4, making it more accurate, efficient, and effective. This is the promise of open-source AI development, and Llama 4 is poised to be at the forefront of this revolution. But how will this impact businesses and individuals? For one, it means that companies will have access to a more powerful and efficient AI tool, allowing them to automate tasks, improve customer service, and drive revenue. On the other hand, individuals will have access to a more advanced AI tool, enabling them to create content, solve complex problems, and even develop new AI models.
As we explore the world of open source Llama 4, we need to consider the potential implications on the job market. Will AI replace human jobs, or will it create new opportunities for employment? Let's take a closer look at the data and expert opinions. According to a recent report, AI could displace up to 30% of jobs in the next decade. But what's interesting is that while AI may replace some jobs, it will also create new ones. For example, AI developers, AI trainers, and AI ethicists will be in high demand as companies seek to integrate AI into their operations. But what about the current workforce? Will they need to upskill or reskill to remain relevant in an AI-driven world? The answer is yes. As AI becomes more prevalent, workers will need to develop new skills to work alongside AI systems.
Now that we've explored the potential implications of open source Llama 4, let's dive into the controversy surrounding its development. Some experts have raised concerns about the potential risks of open source AI development, including the possibility of AI being used for malicious purposes. Let's examine these concerns and what they mean for the future of AI development. One of the main concerns is that open source AI development could lead to a lack of accountability and control. When AI models are developed in the open, it can be difficult to track who is responsible for any potential mistakes or malfunctions. This can lead to a lack of trust in the AI system, making it more challenging to integrate into critical applications. But what about the potential benefits of open source AI development? One of the main advantages is that it allows for collaboration and innovation on a global scale. When AI developers from all over the world can contribute to and improve AI models, it leads to a more accurate, efficient, and effective AI system.
As we look to the future of AI development, it's clear that open source Llama 4 will play a significant role in shaping the industry. But what does this mean for businesses and individuals? How will they adapt to this new reality, and what opportunities will arise from it? Let's explore the potential future impact of open source Llama 4. One of the most significant implications of open source Llama 4 is the potential for increased AI adoption across industries. As AI becomes more accurate, efficient, and effective, businesses will be more likely to integrate it into their operations. This will lead to increased productivity, improved customer service, and new revenue streams. But what about individuals? How will they benefit from open source Llama 4? For one, they will have access to a more advanced AI tool, enabling them to create content, solve complex problems, and even develop new AI models. This will lead to new opportunities for employment, entrepreneurship, and personal growth.
As we conclude our discussion on open source Llama 4, it's clear that this AI model has the potential to revolutionize the way AI is developed and used. But what can you do to stay ahead of the curve? How can you prepare for the AI-driven world that's on the horizon? The answer is simple. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay adaptable. Stay up to date with the latest AI developments, attend conferences and workshops, and participate in online communities. By doing so, you'll be well prepared to take advantage of the opportunities that arise from open source Llama 4. So what are you waiting for? Join the AI revolution today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive content and updates on the latest AI trends.